Hello, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to show you one biggest place of Madinah, Mount of Uhud, left side Madinah under the Emerald, Wadi Uyoun Reaver's relaxing canopy escape. Welcome to Al-Kabi on the go and go. Discover the breathtaking beauty of Madinah under the emerald canopy of Wadi Uyoun Reaver. This video, relaxing nature video, captures peaceful scenery, shooting visual and a calming atmosphere perfect for stress relief, meditation, sleep, or simply unwinding. Immerse yourself in the serene landscapes of Wadi Uyoun, where lush greenery meet tranquil vibes. Whether you are looking for relaxation, focus music, or a peaceful escape, this video brings the natural beauty of Madinah right to you, perfect for relaxation and stress relief, meditation, mindfulness, sleep aids, studying, and focus. Nature lovers location Madinah, Saudi Arabia. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this calming beauty of nature. Call to action. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to support more relaxing content. Thank you for watching. If you like my YouTube channel and my video, please subscribe my channel, share your family with your friends, and click the bell icon. You get it next video. Thank you very much. You looking of watch this video of nature in Madinah. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.